Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today. I am back in the kitchen. Today is May 15th. Happy birthday to my sister. And we are halfway through the month of May, which is amazing to think about because I feel like I'm still trying to get organized for May, but there we go. Time waits for no one. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on kind of where I'm at and what I've been doing today. So my daughter has been dropped off to school. I've already started a load of some of our just random colored clothing, so that's going. Wednesday is the day that our recycling gets picked up. I tried to put it out Tuesday night, but last night I did not get it out, so I put it out this morning. And what we were working on last night was I had to clean the hot tub this week, so I got it emptied Monday. I drained it. And then last night I was thinking, well, I had to work, so I only had limited time in the morning and in the evening. And I thought maybe I'll get to it first thing Wednesday morning. And then my daughter was kind of wanting to help with it. And I thought, oh heck, we'll just start cleaning it. After it's drained, then we wipe it down with a vinegar mixture because we have hard water. So that just kind of helps break up any leftover calcium deposits and kind of get everything refreshed. So we did that, and then of course she was having a ball wanting to get the vacuum out to vacuum all that up and then get the hose out and rinse it. I mean, she was just having a great time, and I thought, well, it's beautiful weather, why not? So we went ahead and did the whole thing. We got it all cleaned and rinsed and ready to fill, and then we filled it, and I mean, she was ready to put her suit on and start swimming in it, even though it's freezing cold water right out of the hose at that point. So that was good. That kind of filled up the evening, but it was good to get that done. That's one less thing I have to do today. So there again, just starting on it or telling myself just to do a little bit, just do 5 or 10 minutes or just do the first step usually leads to more, and I feel better once it's done. But if I think about how much it involves, then I want to put it off. So I'm just always trying to remind myself of that so I can get more done. But anyway, so that's already done. So that means today I can tackle some of my anti-procrastination tasks. So as you know, if you follow the Fly Lady system, or as Diane in Denmark says, in Fly Lady land, it is anti-procrastination day on Wednesday. So a few things on my list that I've been noticing lately are I need to spray a couple of different spots in the front yard and the backyard where we have some poison ivy starting to grow, which happens every year, and I'm just always trying to stay on top of it and spray it to kill it before it gets very big. So I need to get that done. I need to get at least the front yard mowed. So I'm going to try and do that first thing this morning because we are actually going to get up to, I think, almost 80 degrees today, which is pretty warm, but we've had a really nice spring, so I'm not complaining. This is kind of the first time we've had a whole bunch of warm days coming up like this. A couple of other things on my list are I need to refill my whole food supplements in my little evening and daytime daily dividers there. I do not do synthetic vitamins. I do whole food supplements, usually from Standard Process or what's the other one? OHS, I think it is. But anyway, I get them from my chiropractor, and I just think they're better for you versus a synthetic vitamin. You can do your own research and have your own opinion. That's just what I do. And also my butter bell needs to be refilled, so I'm gonna wash out. This is the part that holds the water, and then so you keep your butter in here, and then you sit it upside down, and it's sealed by a little bit of water in there, and then you can take it out and use it, and keeps the butter at room temperature. But because it's sealed in with the water, then there's no air getting to the butter, so it's keeps it fresh for longer. So anyway, that's empty, so I need to refill that. And then also today I need to wash all my cleaning rags. So these are my silver and purple Fly Lady cleaning cloths. I love these. They work great on everything. So we had a couple of them out last night that we were using to wipe down the hot tub with, and then I have a whole stash in the basement that I've been collecting through the week, and they all need to get washed today. So that's another of my anti-procrastination tasks I'm going to get done. And yeah, I have a lot to get done. I have it's the fire system guys coming today to do a little bit more work and make sure everything's good for that. And then I have to work at 1 and then get my daughter from school and all that. So that's my day. I have a lot to get done this morning, and that couple of hours before I have to leave again, but feel good since I've gotten a few things already started that I can keep going. And as you can see, my kitchen is in pretty good shape, so I'm gonna probably clean up. There's a few piles in my hot spot over here, right there. Yep. Yeah, right over there. That's my hot spot, so I'm gonna need to clean that up. And then behind you on the bench, my daughter has a project. We got this little kit to make headbands over the weekend, so that needs to be picked up. We've been working on it, but I think it's time to just pick it up and put it away, and we'll get it out another day and work on it. So 2 more things to get done, and then the kitchen will be back in good shape. Recycling's already been done, and I do need to sweep my kitchen today, so hopefully I'll get that done as well. So I hope you're having a great day and the week is going well for you. I feel like this week has already kind of gotten back on track and things are moving as they should now that we've sort of dealt with most of the fire stuff. We have a guy coming tomorrow morning to measure for the new oven, and I think we are going to go ahead and get a new gas cooktop because that one is the same age as the oven, about 20 years old, and we're dealing with like the little glass plate that holds the knobs. Several things on that were broken, so it slid around all the time. And then 2 of the burners won't light unless you use a torch or something to light them. And then a couple of them, one for sure, is the plate that sits on top of the burner is warped so bad that the flames are like super high on one side and then really low on the other. So they're really hard to cook on because you keep getting a hot spot. So I think it's just time to get that replaced as well. And we figured while the oven's pulled, and I don't know if you can see, there's the hole right there. But while the oven's out, that's the time to get in there and access the gas line and everything for the gas cooktop. So we might as well just get them both done now, because if the gas cooktop goes out in a year, then we'll have to pull the oven back out and all that. So anyway, getting some things accomplished, that feels good, and we're just sort of moving forward and getting it done. And anyway, off to the day. I hope you have a good one. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like just seeing these day in the life update videos. And I will look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.